Can you finance a property in Riviera Maya as an American or Canadian? The answer to that question is yes. Hey everyone, my name is Lev. I'm the co-founder of the Elements Real Estate Group. And if you are in the market and wanting to buy real estate in the Riviera Maya, make sure to click on the link below in our description and let's get started. Without further ado, can you finance? Yes. So in Mexico, for a very long time, a lot of people didn't know if they could finance real estate here. However, now with the explosion of real estate as well as development and growth of the Riviera Maya here in Quintana Roo, it's possible to finance. Let's talk about what those steps are. Number one, if you're looking to finance a property here, there's a couple of things that you must do on your end in order to qualify for a loan. Number one, you have to submit 2 years of tax returns. Number two, you have to submit 6 months of bank statements. Number three, your FICO score or credit score in Canada has to be above 680. The lenders here will lend anywhere from 85% LTV, but majority will lend 60 to 65% LTV. We work with 3 lenders that are both from Mexico and the US. If you want more information and you're in the market and you're very curious on how to get financing in a property here, make sure you click on the link below. It's going to take you right to our portal where we can get started on finding the best property for you and financing options. Now, once you've qualified and you've sent all your documents, what needs to happen with the property? Number one, the property has to be built. It is very complicated to finance something that is in pre-construction. However, with a property that's already built and complete, it either has an HOA or has its deed entitled, you can get financing here. We've done several transactions with Americans and Canadians where they've only put 40% down and the remainder they could finance. Why is financing attractive to Americans and Canadians? Well, because for the longest time, here you could only buy in cash, whether it be a HELOC from back home or a straight up cash purchase. Nowadays, a lot of investors are using debt to their advantage. There is one caveat. The interest rate is anywhere from 8 to 12%. The terms are 30 years. But the good news is you don't have a prepayment penalty. So now with the appreciation of this state being almost 17% per year, a lot of investors are getting into the market and then selling their property after 5 years with a very, very attractive appreciation resale price. So if you want more information on how to finance properties here in more detail, make sure you click on the link in our description below. And we'd love to walk you through the steps of how to invest and finance in the Riviera Maya.